The fire bell blared for more than a half hour, and alarmed neighbors say they contacted the fire department about a potentially dangerous situation at Holland Manor Elder Care on Landrake Road in Towson.
Yes, so I heard the sirens, and so we are a neighborhood that watches out for each other.
Firefighters and police came here on December 3rd around 9:30 p.m. They found no fire, but what they did discover is under investigation.
The conditions here were just unsanitary, unsafe, totally unacceptable.
Inside the facility, two vulnerable adults.
Completely alone, unsupervised, there was no caretaker. The older man was half-dressed, in the dark. The woman was actually tied to the bed. They were locked in from the outside, which in and of itself is a fire hazard.
I have no idea what happened to those poor people. I would never put my parents in a place like that.
According to the state, on September 25, 2015, the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene revoked Holland Manor's license to operate an assisted living facility. And on December 2nd, workers from the Office of Healthcare Quality made an unannounced visit and received assurances that all of the residents had been relocated to other facilities. We contacted Salah Sood, listed in company documents as the manager. He says he believed the license revocation concerned some residents, but not all. The facility, he says, is staffed 24 hours a day, and the night the alarm sounded, a staff member left without permission. She needed to take care of some personal business. He says she stayed away from the facility for about an hour and a half. For the 11 News I-Team, I'm Barry Sims.
And Barry tells us a little bit more. Ambulances took the two seniors to an area hospital. The manager of the assisted living facility says he talked to the families of the elderly residents about what happened. The investigation continues tonight, and we're told the state's attorney is also considering possible charges.
Wow.